How to fix your Facebook account is limited. In order to fix this issue, what you want to do is make sure your application Facebook is up to date. Once you're running the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter a login credential as in your email address and the password, and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy, and then simply click on Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Now tap on Don't Include. Scroll all the way down and click on Other. It will land you on Space. In this space, what you want to do is, you simply have to state the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. You can write that your account has been limited. Please fix this issue as soon as possible. You can also include the screenshot of the problem that you have been facing. Once you have stated all the problem, click on Send at the top right corner of the screen. After that, the Facebook support will analyze your problem, and within 24 hours, they will definitely help you out, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Facebook account limited. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.